Beside me here I have Thomas Björk, Group Technical Specialist in Machining. I have some questions for you, Thomas. And what is M-steel?
Well, if you would imagine a steel that virtually does not wear out the cutting tools in machining at all. I know it's quite far-fetched as an idea, but also at the same time our M-steels are, as I believe, on a very good path towards that. And what we do with the M-steels, we transform the oxides of the steel through a calcium treatment, kind of special treatment. The oxides are transformed and that has several effects in the machining process. So on one hand, we minimize or very much reduce the amount of abrasive wear of the cutting tools, both the tool itself but also the tool coatings, and that is a very important benefit with the M-steel inclusions. And beside that, you can also say that these transformed oxides kind of deposit or adhere or attach to the cutting tool in the location where it is mostly needed, and that is on the top surface, on the rake face where the chip goes off. That is the location of highest temperature and most need of some kind of extra protection, you can say, from our material, from our product. So that inclusions from the steel deposit on the rake face of the cutting tool. And that has two benefits in the machining process. And that is, the first thing is that we reduce the amount of chemical wear of the cutting tool. And that's very important as such, but also so that this deposit or this layer also reduces the amount of heat flow that goes down from the very hot zone on the rake face into the cutting edge. So we, with these inclusions of the M-steel, can minimize or reduce the heat that goes down. And that means that you could comparatively, you can actually increase the cutting speed by quite an amount with the M-steel compared to a non-M-steel.
And with this, I see one benefit, the speed of course, but for the customer, what's more into M-steel?
Well, I would say there are two major things that the customer would like, or the machine shop, and that is, the first thing is robustness. And that we get robust manufacturing and machining with M-steel. And the second thing is a reduced cycle time. And that comes to part from high cutting speeds. So we solve both these major demands or challenges from the machine shop point of view, I would say, in a very good way. And we say that what actually makes up the most important cost for the machine shop or the end user, it is not the cutting tool, the tool suppliers say, and we say it is more the workpiece material itself. But the cost comes from the machining cycle, from the cycle time, and from unexpected stops of the production. So if we as steel supplier can support both the robustness of the machining process as well as minimized cycle time, that makes a very big step towards more benefit to the customer in the end, I would say, and more profit as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.